In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a meeting outcome in Hubspot, whether you're tracking sales progress, managing client relationships, or just keeping your team on the same page. Logging meeting outcomes is a crucial part of staying organized and informed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to navigate HubSpot's CRM and record those outcomes with confidence, ensuring your data is accurate and actionable. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you'll find a link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred browser and head over to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. If you tend to forget your passwords, consider using a password manager to make your login process smoother and more secure. Next up, we're going to navigate to the CRM section on the HubSpot homepage, locate the CRM button and click on it. This will take you directly to the main CRM interface. Think of this as your central hub for managing contacts and tracking interactions. It's where all the magic happens when it comes to maintaining your relationships and staying on top of your business activities. Now that you're in the CRM interface, the next step is to select a contact. To do this, look for and click on the Contacts option. This section is essentially a comprehensive list of everyone in your database, complete with their contact details and interaction history. Once you're in the Contacts section, you can either scroll through the list to find the person you're looking for, or use the search feature to speed things up if your contact list is particularly long. Either method works, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. Once you've located and selected the contact you're working with, you'll be taken to their profile page. From here, click on the Meetings tab. This is where you'll find a record of all the past and upcoming meetings associated with this contact. By accessing this tab, you'll have a clear view of every interaction you've scheduled or completed with them, which is especially useful for tracking your ongoing relationship. Now, select the specific meeting whose outcome you want to log. Simply click on the meeting in question to open its details. From here, we'll move on to adding the outcome. To log the outcome, click on the Actions drop-down menu and select Edit. This will open up the meeting details, allowing you to make updates as needed. Once the editing panel is open, locate the Outcome section. Here, you can specify the result of the meeting. Take a moment to choose the most accurate outcome based on what was discussed or achieved during the meeting. After that, click on the Completed option to finalize the meeting outcome. This step is important because marking the meeting as completed helps you keep track of your progress and monitor your success over time. Before wrapping up, it's a good idea to double-check all the information you've entered. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Accurate records are essential for maintaining a clear picture of your interactions and ensuring your business processes run smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully logged a meeting outcome in HubSpot. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your CRM data stays organized and actionable, which is key to building strong, long-lasting relationships with your contacts. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.